Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing some unboxing of Happy Meal that I received. So if you love Happy Meal, you're a budgetary cash stuffer, this video is for you. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. So glad that you are here with me today. I got some Happy Meal from Frugality is Life Fiona from her birthday sale. So if you're a cash stuffer, this video is definitely for you. So welcome to my page. If you're new here, so glad you're here to join me in today's unboxing. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get this open so you can see what I got. Okay, so now that I got everything out. Okay, it says thank you. I love the roll gold. Love this paper clip as well as planner clip. And this envelope is absolutely beautiful. This card is pretty too. And I'm going to read the inside offline. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what I got. This is an absolutely beautiful bookmark. Oh, wow. Okay, so looks like I have a new dice and a bow charm. Okay. This charm is absolutely beautiful. I love pearls. Really love this. This is beautiful. Okay. I'm trying to get it situated. That is gorgeous. And I got me a new dice and this green. Let's see what else I got. Did you get the birthday box from Fiona? And if so, which color planner did you decide on? Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright. I got everything out. And so, okay, so I have some sticky notes here. Okay, we got some markers. I love dual markers. I absolutely love dual markers, guys. I need to add those to my favorite marker pen box. Can't wait to use those. We got a thank you card. Okay, so I got another bow. Let's open this one up. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a butterfly. I love that color brown. Okay, so I have a scratch off. And the quality is great, guys. Then we have another scratch off. Ooh, the mini cuteness. That is cute. I'm excited. Okay, bold. Birthday. I'm loving the black and gold. Gorgeous. Okay. I got some. Oh, I like this icon challenge too, guys. I'm loving the fact that these challenges gonna help me through the year. Absolutely love this quote that's on this dashboard. Basically telling you to keep going. If you give up, it's over with. Okay, it's time to party. I absolutely love this black. And this looks like a scratch off as well. Okay, just another savings challenge here. Another challenge here with the vellum. And another scratch off will save $140. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I have the LV dashboard. Okay, here's a birthday challenge here. I like this red birthday bingo. Another birthday challenge. Save big. I think the dice go with that one. A monthly savings challenge. Absolutely love all of those. The quality in the card stock. Absolutely perfect. And here's the color binder that I decided to get. I already have a black one. I couldn't decide. I was trying to decide on which color I wanted, but I just went ahead with this one. Love the rose gold that's on it. Let me go ahead and move this from it. So I am really looking forward to start using this binder and the different saving challenges that came with it. Let's go ahead and start putting things and setting up this particular binder. So with my ring binders, guys, I like to cut my holes so I can just snap everything in. One thing to preserve your ring binders is that you want to try to prevent from always opening and shutting them closed. The wear and tear on your binders when you're opening and closing the rings, it impacts your binder. So us girls that's in the planner world, we just place cuts our holes so we can just snap whatever inserts, pouches, or dashboards in our planners just to preserve them and have longevity. So if you ever see me utilizing a ring planner, typically I do this. So if I want to pull something out, I can just pull it out. I don't have to worry about opening and closing the rings. Cause I have binders, planners, ring planners that's over 10 years old. Never had an issue with them. Cause sometimes you will find that the alignment mess up with the ring planners if you're always opening and shutting them over and over. And I feel like when you're spending your money with your things, you want longevity with them. But I am loving the fact that I can set these things up. So I'm gonna add some cash envelopes here and I'm gonna add some music until after I finish setting up this particular binder. Okay, so now that I have the binder set up, I want to find the perfect pin for this binder, and let's see what I can find. that will closely match this particular binder. And I want to get your thoughts on which one you think I should add to this binder. Let's see if I can find another one that I should consider for it. I'm trying to find ones that has the gold medal hardware. Since this does have gold. Okay, so these two are the same. So let me put one of those back. So between these two pens, let me know in the comments which one you think I should put in the pen holder. But guys, overall, I absolutely love this birthday bundle. Let me know which pen I should add. I'm thinking the brown one. The brown with the gold hardware right here. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments. But I'm excited about getting started utilizing this bundle here. You have a variety of savings challenges. And Fiona, I think y'all did yourself absolutely love. But guys, thank you so much for joining me today in my unboxing. I will have y'all information in the comments.